Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I clean out my coffee pot. I like to do this every 3 months or so just to give it a good scrub down. This model is actually able to break down and be washed in my dishwasher. However, I don't really love doing that all the time. I do that about twice a year. It's kind of a pain to do. So this is how I do it for like a quick, easy, a little bit less hassle of a way. You're going to be mixing equal parts water and vinegar here. I'm going to fill this halfway with water and halfway with vinegar. 12 cups, so I'm going to hit about that 6 cup mark with water, fill the rest up with vinegar, or give or take depending on how much you have here. I might have to cheat my vinegar a little bit. I don't have a whole lot left here in the bottom of this thing, so we'll see what happens. I'm going to fill it with as much vinegar as I can, but easy peasy, right? So let's do that. Pretty darn close to 6 cups, a little under, I'd say closer to 5, but I'm just going to fill the rest of this up with water. I'm going to run this mixture just like you would where you dump in the water when you're making a cup of coffee. Dump this bag here, and then I'm going to shut this, turn it on. Go ahead and let it brew like it normally would, and once that's done, I'll go back in the actual filter of this and give that a good kind of clean down. I'm just going to rinse it out with plain water in the sink, and then we'll be good to go. Just about finished here, and you can see just how dark it really does get everything out of there. It clears a lot of the excess gunk that ends up in there, obviously extra coffee grounds and stuff. So it does not smell that bad. Also, the vinegar stench isn't really that strong. It only gets a little bit stronger as you actually walk up to the coffee pot, but it's not something that fills your whole house up with stink either. I'm just going to take it and wash the inside of this pot like I would wash a normal cup or a dish. I'm going to let it cool off though because it's really hot. So I'm just going to set it down, let it cool off. I went ahead and scrubbed out the inside of this pot just with regular Dawn dish soap and my dish sponge. Same thing with the coffee filter in here. I'll open this up. I just pulled this on out and rinsed it with regular water. And now I put in a full 12 cups of just plain water, and I'm running through the exact same way I did the water and vinegar. This is just to kind of get out whatever residual vinegar is in there before I make my next cup of coffee. This time you can see the water is completely clear, where before it pretty much looked like I was brewing coffee. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this go, and then you are all done. You're good to go and to enjoy a fresh cup of coffee. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are in need of more cleaning tutorials, how-tos, and testing homemade cleaners. I do all of those things here on this channel every single week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!